Good morning, my all dear class 11th students. As in the previous videos of this chapter, final accounts, we have discussed. First of all, we have discussed what final account is. Then we have discussed about trading account. Then in the previous video, we have discussed about format of profit and loss account. Now, let's directly move to the illustration or to the example of profit and loss account. So just read out the question first. From the following particular, prepare a profit and loss account ending on 31st March 2018. Okay. Gross profit 10,52,000. Gross profit will be shown in the credit side of profit and loss account. Okay. All the expenses, all the indirect expenses will be debited and all the incomes will be credited. Trade expense, debit side. Carriage on sales, debit. Office salaries, it's also an expense, debit. Postage, debit. Office rent, debit. Legal charges, debit. Audit fees, debit. Donation, debit. Sundry expenses, debit. Selling expenses, also debited. Discounts allowed, debit. Lightning, debit. Commission received is an income, so it will be credited. Bad debts, debit. Discount credit, it's an income, so it will be credited. Interest on loan, debited. Stable expenses, debit. Export duty, debit. Import duty will be in trading account. Export duty here. Miscellaneous receipt, credit. Unproductive expenses, debit. Traveling expenses, also debited. Okay, so these are the amounts. Trade expenses, as I have already discussed, trade expenses, carriage on sales, everything, all the expenses will be debited, and gross profit credit, commission received, discount, and miscellaneous received. These amounts will be credited. Okay, let's move further. Here we can see all the other expenses. Basically, I am repeating it once again. All the indirect expenses will be debited. All the incomes will be credited. Okay. At last, we will do the total of both the side. In asset side, in credit side, the amount was 10,62,000. Then do the total of debit side. When we minus the total of debit side from the total of credit side, we will get 7,50,800. It will be our net profit transferred to capital account, and it will be transferred to capital account. So this was an example of profit and loss account. In the next video, we will again discuss one or two more questions regarding that, and after that we will move to the balance sheet. If you still find any type of problem, or if you have any type of query regarding the trading account or PL account, you can ask. And till then, do further examples or questions of trading account and profit and loss account. So when we discuss about balance sheet, your trading and PL would be completed till now. So just start studying, and if you find any doubt or any query, our school is always there to help you out in all your needs. So just focus on your studies and start practicing. Till then, bye bye, students.